Plus plugin with Excel. AI-powered intelligence, real-time insights, and governed decisions. Intelligence in every cell. Governance in every decision. 2. Introduction. Modern enterprises already generate enormous amounts of information through spreadsheets, financial models, operational reports, forecasts, and management data. Excel is one of the most familiar enterprise environments for working with this information, but data alone does not create intelligence. The Brain NeuroGov Plus plugin with Excel brings governed AI intelligence directly into the Excel environment, helping users transform enterprise data into insights, analysis, recommendations, and better decisions without leaving their familiar workspace. 3. Plugin advantage. The major advantage is AI intelligence inside Excel rather than Excel being isolated from enterprise AI. The plugin is designed to provide AI-powered analysis, discover patterns, trends, relationships, and opportunities. Data intelligence, clean, transform, understand, and enrich enterprise data. Real-time insights, rapidly interpret changing information. Governed and trusted intelligence, apply governance, policies, controls, and auditability. Smart automation, reduce repetitive analytical work. Advanced visuals, convert information into charts, dashboards, and decision views. Seamless integration, bring NeuroGov Plus intelligence into the user's existing Excel workflow. The advantage is simple. Keep Excel as the working environment and bring enterprise intelligence to it. 4. Integration flow. How Brain NeuroGov Plus integrates with Excel. The Brain NeuroGov Plus plugin acts as an intelligent integration layer between Excel data and the NeuroGov Plus enterprise intelligence architecture. Integration flow. Excel enterprise data. Downward arrow. Brain NeuroGov Plus plugin. Downward arrow. NeuroGov Plus intelligence gateway. Downward arrow. Data intelligence and AI analysis. Downward arrow. Enterprise memory plus knowledge. Downward arrow. Cognitive intelligence and reasoning. Downward arrow. Governance plus policy plus responsible AI controls. Downward arrow. Decision intelligence. Downward arrow. AI insights plus recommendations plus visualizations. Downward arrow. Excel dashboard / report / decision view. Downward arrow. Enterprise decision and action. Downward arrow. Feedback plus continuous improvement. Back into the NeuroGov Plus intelligence cycle. Integration principle. The flow is therefore Excel data, rightward arrow, NeuroGov Plus rightward arrow, intelligence rightward arrow, governance rightward arrow, decision rightward arrow, Excel rightward arrow, action rightward arrow, improvement. This creates a continuous intelligence loop rather than a one-time analytical interaction. What the plugin does. The plugin can act as the enterprise-facing interface through which Excel users can request intelligence, while Brain NeuroGov Plus performs the underlying orchestration of analysis, knowledge, cognitive reasoning, governance, and decision support. Excel remains the user's workspace. Brain NeuroGov Plus becomes the intelligence layer. 5. Brief Brain NeuroGov Plus. Brain NeuroGov Plus is the enterprise intelligence and governance architecture behind the plugin. It is designed to combine AI plus governance plus memory plus cognitive intelligence plus decision intelligence plus enterprise intelligence. Rather than treating AI as merely a chatbot, Brain NeuroGov Plus positions AI as a governed enterprise intelligence layer capable of understanding information, analyzing context, applying governance, generating insights, and supporting decisions. The Excel plugin becomes one practical interface through which this intelligence can reach everyday enterprise work. 6. Why Brain NeuroGov Plus? Because enterprise AI needs more than intelligence. An enterprise needs AI that can be intelligent rightward arrow, governed rightward arrow, context aware rightward arrow, explainable rightward arrow, actionable rightward arrow, trusted. Brain NeuroGov Plus is designed around this principle. It seeks to bridge the gap between enterprise data rightward arrow, AI analysis rightward arrow, governance rightward arrow, insight rightward arrow, decision rightward arrow, value. This makes the Excel plugin more than an analytical add-in. It becomes a gateway between everyday enterprise data and governed enterprise intelligence. 7. Summary. The Brain NeuroGov Plus plugin with Excel transforms the familiar spreadsheet environment into an intelligent enterprise workspace. Users can work with their existing information while accessing AI-powered analysis, data intelligence, visualization, governance, recommendations, and decision support. The concept is therefore not simply AI added to Excel. It is enterprise intelligence brought into Excel through Brain NeuroGov Plus. 8. Power Summary. Brain NeuroGov Plus plugin with Excel. 1 plugin. 1 intelligent workspace. 1 governed intelligence layer. Analyze. Understand. Govern. Decide. Improve. Better insights. Understand enterprise data more deeply. Lower risk. Support governed and responsible AI use. Faster decisions. Turn information into actionable intelligence. Higher value. Connect intelligence with enterprise performance. Continuous improvement. Learn from insights, decisions, outcomes, and new information. Power statement. Brain NeuroGov Plus brings intelligence into every cell and governance into every decision. 9. About Dr. Pradeep Kesuri. Dr. Pradeep Kesuri, inventor and architect Brain NeuroGov Plus. Dr. Pradeep Kesuri is the inventor and architect of Brain NeuroGov Plus, an enterprise artificial intelligence architecture focused on combining intelligence, governance, cognitive reasoning, enterprise memory, decision intelligence, and responsible AI. His work advances the concept of model-independent enterprise intelligence, where AI models, specialized engines, knowledge systems, governance mechanisms, and enterprise applications can work together through a common intelligent architecture. The Brain NeuroGov Plus plugin with Excel represents this vision at the practical user level, bringing governed enterprise AI directly into one of the world's most familiar environments for enterprise data and decision-making. Closing line. Brain NeuroGov Plus plugin with Excel. Intelligence in every cell. Governance in every decision. Pradeep at neurogovadvanced.com. Thank you.